Hello, this is True SMC. Let me show you how this actually works. We'll begin with this bullish phase, transition through the range, and end with today's bearish market. See how effortlessly True SMC adapts to each scenario. True SMC focuses on two specific types of POIs, sweeps and order blocks. Not every order block works in the market. Only two order blocks with imbalance consistently work. Our indicator marks these as IDM-OB and EXT-OB. For sweeps, we specifically target IDM sweeps and higher high or lower low sweep. Let me walk you through this step by step. First, I'll add the indicator to the chart. Now, we'll use bar replay starting from here to show you exactly how this works in real-time market conditions. When the market creates a boss or change of character like this, the True SMC automatically highlights the IDM-OB, EXT-OB, and inducement liquidity level. At this point, we wait for the market to take the liquidity. Remember, we're focusing on two types of entries, sweep entries and order block entries. If the market sweeps the liquidity like this but fails to close above the level, the indicator marks it as an IFC candle. This setup is called an IDM sweep entry, and you can plan for a sell from here. Similarly, if the market sweeps the lower low like in this area, and the indicator marks it as an IFC candle, we can plan for a buy from here. However, if the market closes above the inducement level, like in this area, we will look to sell from the next order block highlighted by the indicator, with the target set here. This is how both sweep and order block entry types work. Now let's use the bar replay to see how these setups play out in the live market. Now you can see the market has swept the inducement and closed above, with the indicator marking this as an IFC candle. This is an IDM sweep entry. Here we can plan for a BY and the target will be here. Let's see what happens next. Again, we need to wait for the market to take out the inducement. In this case, the market has taken the inducement and closed below it, so we would wait for it to mitigate the IDM order block. However, the market didn't mitigate the order block and instead closed above. Let's see what happens next. Here you can see the market swept the inducement, but the indicator didn't mark it as an IFC candle, so we don't need to buy from here. Now you can see the market mitigated the IDM-OB. Here we can plan for a buy and our target will be here. Let's see what happens next. At this point, the market has broken the structure again. We need to wait for the market to take out the inducement. But what happened? In this case, the market swept the IDM and closed above. Then it immediately broke the previous low, shifting from bullish to bearish. So this point becomes our change of character. After the change of character, what are we looking for? We're looking for a sell. First, we have to identify where our inducement is. In this case, there is no inducement yet, so we need to wait for the market to create one. Without an inducement, we don't have a valid entry. Now the market has created a new inducement and an order block, so we can plan for a sell from here. However, the problem is that if you've enabled the IFC candle, you'll notice the market has already swept liquidity from this area multiple times. This makes the change of character weak. When the market shows a weak change of character, it does consider the counter trend perspective too. This is where the ping pong structure becomes valuable. When you enable it, you'll see both bullish and bearish market perspectives in real time. From the bullish perspective, the market has closed below the IDM, and we can buy from this extreme order block. So the most reliable target for our sell side entry would be this bullish order block, because this is where bullish players enter the market to push prices higher. Once the market reaches the bullish order block, we can look for a short-term buy based on the bullish perspective. But where is our target? Since the main trend remains bearish, this is a counter trend entry, meaning we can't expect the market to break the high. While the swing structure and ping pong structure provide valuable insights, they don't reveal the complete picture. The internal structure fills this gap. By enabling it in the settings and resetting from the market's high point, we can see all market movements with greater clarity. In this case, we have both internal IDM and internal extreme order blocks. Since this is a counter trend entry, our target should be the internal IDM. Now we can sell again. We can sell from here and target the low. Why? Because it aligns with the main trend. Let's see what happens next. Now the market sweeps the low but fails to move below the order block. This confirms that the market is likely to reverse from here. Here we can plan to buy again and the unmitigated extreme order block as our target. For more confirmation, switch to a lower time frame and wait for the market to mitigate a lower time frame order block before entering. Now the market has hit the target and mitigated the extreme order block in the main trend. From here, we can expect a pullback. This gives us an opportunity to sell with the target set at the extreme ping pong order block. For confirmation, we can switch to a lower time frame. Let's see what happens next. Now you can see the market has mitigated the ping pong order block. Here you can buy again. And where's our target? Of course, the higher time frame IDMOB. In this case, the market has closed above the IDMOB, which means selling here isn't an option. So how do we approach the situation? If the market closes above this engineered liquidity, we can plan for a buy below. On the other hand, if the market sweeps the liquidity, we can plan for a sell with lower time frame confirmation. Now look at this. See, in this case, there's no proper close or sweep. So we need to wait for clear confirmation. Let's see what happens next. Here you can see the market sweeps the internal higher low and the indicator marks this as an IFC candle. We can plan for a buy from the lower time frame confirmation. Where is our target? The target is the previous higher high. Now the market has closed above the higher high and this area becomes change of character. After the change of character, we can plan for a buy from the IDMOB, but in this case the IDMOB failed. The next entry is from the EXTOB. And where's our target? The target should be the ping pong IDMOB. Why? Because the church above wasn't strong and the IDMOB has already failed. Let's see what happens next. Here you can see the market reversed from the IDMOB. Here you can plan for a sell again. See what happened next. The market mitigated the IDMOB. You can sell here. Again, the market sweeps the IDM with an IFC candle. Here you can sell again. The target will be here. The market mitigates the IDMOB again. You can sell here. Now, we're at the end of the current market cycle. To further enhance your trading strategy, let's quickly show you how to take entries on a lower time frame based on the higher time frame perspective. It's crucial not to enter trades directly on the lower time frame without understanding the higher time frame perspective. Here, we can see the market sweeping the buy liquidity, which indicates a potential reversal to the upside for taking sell-side inducement. At this point, we can switch to a lower time frame to look for lower time frame entries. We are now on the 2-minute time frame. You can see that the lower time frame IDMOB has failed, indicating that the market is seeking a deeper pullback. So, where's our entry? The entry point is at the ping pong IDMOB, and the target should be the 2-minute EXTOB. Again, the market has failed the lower time frame IDMOB, so we can look for the same entry here as well. Now, you can see the market has failed the lower time frame EXTOB. This indicates that the market is now going to mitigate the higher time frame IDMOB. so we can buy again until the higher time frame IDMOB is mitigated. Let's see where our higher time frame order block is. Now the market is near the higher time frame IDM-OB. Staying on the lower time frame in this area has a low probability, so we need to switch back to a higher time frame entry. What you've seen today isn't just another indicator, it's your roadmap to understanding and navigating the market with precision. Gain exclusive access now at TrueSMCtrade.com.